when opening the overhead compartments is actually pull out. From now on, you can use electronic devices that emit radio waves. However, please refrain from talking on cell phones out of consideration for other passengers. This flight will be arriving at gate number 51 of Terminal 2. Tokyo International Airport has two international departure terminals, Terminal 2 and Terminal 3. Connecting passengers, please confirm your departure terminal. Since the airport is expected to be crowded during the holiday season, please plan to arrive at the airport well before the time of your return flight and check it as early as possible. Dear passengers, once again, thank you for flying with ANA and our stylist partner. We look forward to seeing you again. Thank you. お忘れ物が大変多くなっております。携帯電話やタブレット端末、文庫本、大切なお土産物などお忘れ物がないようただいまのお時間にご確認ください。また、上の物入れのお手荷物の取り違いも多数発生しております。必ずご自身のものであることをご確認ください。Dear passengers, please be sure to take all of your belongings with you. Thank you.